Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Neil and I make YouTube videos about studying and living in Germany. This video is going to be different. This video is not meant to offend anyone, but this video is meant to motivate young students who are deciding that they want to go to which country for their higher studies. The trend in India right now is that most students go to USA, UK, Australia, Canada, Ireland for their higher studies. But the broader topic is that most students lack a strong vision about what they want to do with their lives. Students end up applying to some specific American universities only because their seniors are studying there or they have extended family in that particular city or state. Students are in a state of herd mentality. They do not think for themselves, but they think as a part of a group. On the other hand, there are very few students who have a strong motivation about what they want to do with their life and why they want to apply to a particular university. Some students often read a lot about finance and economics and they understand that the Wall Street has always had a very enduring impact on the international economy. Hence, they apply to American universities on the East Coast so that eventually they can work at Wall Street. I know a person in my college, younger than me, who believed that the work culture in FANG businesses was very inspiring. So now he is applying to American universities so that he can later work at a FANG business, as all the FANG businesses are based in the US. Some students who study humanities, they end up applying to Oxford University for their higher studies because Oxford University in general has had a very long legacy when it comes to teaching and doing research in humanities. Some people want to apply to MIT only because MIT has had a very long history of scientific and engineering research and they want to learn within that particular space. This is the point. Most people, most students to be specific, do not want to go out of their comfort zone. I know at least 4 or 5 students from my college in the last year who applied to German universities as well as American universities. And eventually they received admits from the universities in Germany as well as USA. But eventually they chose USA because safety. I mean, do you want to be safe or do you want to be strong? To be very honest, they chose American university despite the total cost being 2 or 3 times that of studying in a German university. That is the point. People want to be spoon-fed their master's degrees. Honestly, when I used to talk to a few students in my college about doing masters or PhD in Germany, most people would tell that it is not the best idea because they would have to learn the basics of German in order to survive here. I mean, I am learning German right now and it is highly manageable. But the point is that people are searching for shortcuts. So that was the point of this video. I hope this video has inspired you in some way. And you can follow me on Instagram if you want to know more about studying and living in Germany. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon so you are immediately notified when I upload a video. If you have any topic for a video or if you want to give me some feedback about this video, you can always use the comment section. If you know some student who is deciding that he is not able to decide that he should go to which country for this higher education, please share this video with him. Thank you.